adventure, and today we're going to be making my 3 Spooktacular Halloween snacks. Let's get started.
Ooh, don't forget to like and subscribe, or I will be in your bed tonight.
I would do that if I were you. Like and subscribe quickly. So first we're going to make the brooms. So for the brooms you'll need these really thin strawberry laces, these chocolate sticks, look like this, Mikado or something like that, and a chopping board and a knife. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the strawberry lace and cut them to the length of like bits of the twigs you want at the bottom of the stick. So we've got about this length, these laces like this. Now we have to tie these onto the broom with another strawberry lace. You'll need about 7 to 8 5cm strawberry laces to go vertically like that, and then a 10cm one to tie around like this. So you do it twice, and then just a simple knot to finish it off like that. So here we have made 9 witches' brooms. On to the next one. So now we're going to do the Dracula jaws, and for this I've got a little helper.
Hello!
Hello! So what we need to do is 4 tablespoons of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of butter, like this. Mix it up.
Yeah.
So as well as the icing, we also need white mini marshmallows and biscuits that are cut 2/3. So I'll show you how to cut those now. So look 2/3, so like roughly where 2/3 is, and very carefully just start sawing. Don't push down, just let the knife do the work, otherwise it will just crack. And when you get about halfway, it should crack like this. That's perfect, smooth edge. Also, the best biscuits we find are digestives because they're not too hard, but they're quite big and they're very tasty as well. So Dan, how are you getting on?
Good, yeah.
It's just doing the icing. So this is what it should look like now. It's like we've got a yellow tinge to it and it's very thick. So what we're going to do with it now is get 2 digestive biscuits and use your fingers because it's probably really easier with them, and just smooth it on the outside like this. So now what we do is we grab the mini marshmallows and stick them on like that. We only do this on one of the biscuits though.
Okay. Teeth.
So now once the whole row is on, like that, grab the other biscuit and stick it on like that.
Okay. It looks like a mouth, but literally like a human mouth.
So now what we need to do to make it look like a Dracula is add blood. So get some red food colouring or food icing and just add some blood like this. And so this is our Dracula mouth, jaw, with blood.
So I'm doing the teeth, as you can see, and that's drawing the blood on the teeth with icing, yeah, red icing. And there's another one, you can see. Then you grab one of these, and then chocolate on top, and then it's a jaw. Then I give it over to Matt, and he puts the icing on it. And you do that over and over again, and until you've done all the biscuits. Then you put them in the fridge. For the witch, you will need some tangerines for the head,
some dark chocolate chips for the hat,
some black and white writing icing for the eyes,
some Oreos for the hat, and the end of ice cream cone, so you chop it off like that, also for the witch's hat.
And the rest of your icing that you use for the jaws.
So first we need to stick the Oreo to the orange with some icing. So Dan, get some icing. A little bit less than that. Yeah, that's good. And just do it on the bottom of the tangerine because it's flatter. Yeah, good. We stick the Oreo on like that. So that's the base of the hat, like that. So do this to all of them and then we'll go on to the next step. So now that all the bases of the hats are on the oranges, we need to melt these chocolate chips. Look at him! Once the chocolate's melted, you get your cone, you dip it in, twirl it about. Fingers are going to get dirty, but don't mind about that. Wipe it on the edge because there's going to be a lot of chocolate on there. And then dip the bottom into the chocolate. And then once the chocolate dries, it will stick to the Oreo. And
Make a hat.
Really delicious.
Okay.
And now just stick it on to the Oreo. Now that we've done the hats, we need to do the eyes and the mouth. Ta-da! So here are our witches. So here are our 3 Spooktacular Halloween snacks. I hope you enjoyed them. We hope you had the same result and that you have these amazing jaws, witches and brooms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do that by clicking the button here. See you next time. Bye!